Hey guys! Welcome back to Tech Bytes. As always, we are back with another cool tech gadget which would make your daily life easier. This video is sponsored by XKOO, which makes quality products for ear, oral, and nasal health and hygiene. XKOO aim is to keep your ears healthy in a safe and effective way. Today, we are going to unbox and review XKOO R1 Pro, an earwax removal tool which is safe, modern, and provides you with real-time image of your ear canal. If you are using ear swabs, please stop using because the swabs are dangerous, your eardrum can tear and multiple problems can occur including permanent hearing loss. So, why are you taking so much risk? Use XKOO's earwax removal tool, which is safe and doesn't damage your ear at all. Use it without any worry and you can get images and videos of your ear canal on your smartphone. The XKOO R1 Pro Earwax Removal Kit is equipped with a 1080p ear cleaner otoscope with 6 lights, which can help you view and clean earwax effectively. With a 3.5mm ultra-thin lens inner diameter with 6 LED lights, help you illuminate the ear canal, capture high-definition pictures and videos in real time, large field of view, and no dead angle. The ear removal kit has Type-C fast charging port which is convenient and widely available. It is equipped with a 180 mAh battery. It can be used for 60 minutes on a full charge and 30 days on standby. XKOO ISSE Plus app is available on Google Play and Apple Store. Just scan the QR code to download the app, long press the power button to turn on the device, and connect the earwax camera through the device Wi-Fi to start using. The built-in Wi-Fi does not support the internet, and will not access and transmit the data of your device. Please feel free to use it. visit www.xkoo.net or click the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.